Hello, and welcome to the Harbor School Technology Training Series. First, we'll go over how to operate your smartboard. We'll also talk about building lessons in Smart Notebook. In your classroom, you'll see a smartboard and a projector. These are connected to your computer so that you can interact with the smartboard using your hands or the smartboard pens. In the pen tray, you should have 4 pens, black, blue, red, and green, and an eraser. You can pick up any of these pens or the eraser to use them on your smartboard. There are also 2 buttons on your pen tray. You can press the button on the left to activate the keyboard, press the button on the right to activate right-click, or press both at the same time to orient your smartboard and calibrate the pens. Most smartboards are connected to your computer with a VGA cable plugged in to a Thunderbolt cable adapter. The Thunderbolt cable is plugged into the back of your computer. If you're having connection issues with your smartboard or having issues interacting with it, please check the back of your computer first to make sure that the cable is plugged in correctly. I'm going to go to my applications and open up Smart Notebook. Smart Notebook is the software meant to be used with Smartboard, used to make presentations and interactive lessons. When you open a blank notebook, you'll see these tools at the top of your screen. With these tools, you can move between pages, add or delete a page, undo, redo, save your notebook, change the display, edit the toolbar, and move the toolbar to the top or bottom of the screen. You can also use these design tools to insert a shape, change the color, change the type of pen, add a text box, insert a line, or use the eraser. With the shape button, you can insert any shape, move it, and change its color. You can also write with different pens, add text boxes, insert lines, adjust the transparency, and erase. Some other important buttons in the toolbar allow you to insert a table, use a screen shade to cover part of your screen, use measurement tools like a ruler or a compass, view different screen options, and use Smart Response and Smart Lab. So here I'm inserting a table with 3 columns and 3 rows. I'm using the screen shade to cover part of my screen. You can actually click the screen shade to change its color. I'm opening a ruler and a protractor to measure things on the screen. I can adjust how I'm seeing the Smart Notebook page. This is full screen. I can change the width of the page. I can make it 2 pages. So this is what it looks like when you open Smart Lab. Here are some options for some interactive activities. Some of them you just use on the board. Some of them you can use with the students' phones or iPads or laptops. And they're very, very easy to make. Now I'm going to talk about the buttons on the side of the screen. At the top, you can see the different pages that you've made. Under that, you can see the picture gallery, see attachments and links, adjust your formatting, and look at some add-ons. The add-ons are very useful. You can search for images on the internet. You can embed YouTube videos. You can build interactive activities. You can record your own lesson. And you can use Smart Blocks and GeoGebra for math lessons. So here I'm going to insert an image into my notebook. I'm going to search for dogs. It's powered by Bing. Shows you a bunch of pictures of dogs. And just pull it over in there. And there it is. Next to where it says pictures, if you'd rather have an illustration, you can click on clip art. And there you'll get a drawing of a dog instead of a picture. I can also search for and embed YouTube videos into my lesson. So I'm going to open YouTube through Smart Notebook and search dogs again. And they'll give me a long list of videos about dogs that are appropriate for school. I'm going to choose this one from Animal Planet. 4 Mastiff brothers are training to be great big guard dogs. It puts it right there in my Smart Notebook lesson. And I can play it right there without leaving my Smart Notebook or trying to open the internet. Alright, we are almost done. I'm going to make this transparent. Move my Finder out of the way. Go ahead and move this text box over so I can interact with my desktop and my Smart Notebook elements. We are going to try to open a new window on Google Chrome. I'm going to show you how you can write on top of your screen using Smart Notebook after you've turned it transparent. So I'm just searching for an addition worksheet. Gonna open that up. And then using this little toolbar down here, I'm going to pick up my pen. And I can write right on top of that worksheet without having to download it or put it into the lesson. Click this button, it'll take me back to the notebook, and the stuff I wrote down is still there. Thank you for joining me and learning about Smart Boards and Smart Notebook. If you would like any more information or to watch another video in this training series, please visit the URL on your screen. Thanks!